How to install Kormo Jobs apps on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create or how you can install the application on Android. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to Play Store here, and then here you have to search for KROMOAPP Kormo Jobs app. So first one, this is the one. So you have to simply click on this option, install option. So after clicking here, you have to wait and make sure that your internet connection is well okay and good to get downloaded. Here you can see it's on an installing process, so you have to wait. Now it's done, so just click on open option, and you can see here this is the uh, job apps for Google on Android. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out to get the Chromo Jobs apps on Android. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.